How to make videos on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone and you have to open it in your Android. Now you can see different options will appear here at the bottom. There is a home option, there is a friends option, inbox and profile, and at the middle there is an option of plus mark. You have to click on this plus mark and you can see here. You can see there are timings will appear here: 50 seconds, 30, 60 seconds, 10 minutes. Click and you have to start video on TikTok. Click on this check mark and now before this just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now you can upload your video on your story and click on next. You can post video and add it to your draft. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.